President Trump has shaken US politics and global affairs to the core. His brand of democracy appears, as it is discussed today, to emulate political style of such seasoned autocrats as, of course, Russia's President Vladimir Putin, also China's Xi Jinping, Turkey's Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, Hungary's Viktor Orbán, and there are other new examples in Europe I can use, but you all know who are the people I'm discussing. It also shares striking commonalities with Europe's far-right populist political parties. So some of the examples, there are many, many, and they're growing, but some of the examples are the National Rally in France, the AfD in Germany, Party for Freedom in the Netherlands, and many others. So what used to be is an undemocratic posturing of individual governments and political groups has extended into a global phenomenon with the advent of Trump. And we really see that as sort of the autocratic camp, as many liberal scholars refer to it. With Trump, suddenly he's almost a latecomer to this, but he's also, of course, as always, America is a leader of things, so he's a leader of that as well. When Trump won the elections in 2016, the event was so seemingly irrational that the Democratic Party in America thought the country could not possibly be responsible for such an idiocy. The Democrats, shocked, attributed Trump's victory to the Russian meddling, because when in doubt, there's always Russia to blame for things. But Trump is a truly American phenomenon. Of course, Vladimir Putin attempted to shake the spirit of American superiority, and certainly Russians did meddle in the elections, not the way the West described it, not the way America described it, but certainly it did. He was still upset about the Cold War defeat. He himself said as much, and Russia, under him, no longer weak as it was after the communism collapsed in 1991, did not have to agree with that loss. So he chose not to agree with that loss. So he'd shake up America by using the USA's own tools of political slant, political PR, sound bites, and of course, social media. However, he did not elect Trump, which became even more evident with Trump's second term that just began when he won in 2024 and earlier this year when the term began in January.